Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need the right iOS and a bit of focus. Long press an empty area on your home screen until icons jiggle. This is jiggle mode. Once done, tap the plus button in the corner to access the widget gallery because widgets live there and are organized by app. Make sure to browse sizes so you know which fits your layout. Try a small, medium, then large preview to see visual weight. This first step puts you in control and avoids accidental app rearrangement. You pick a widget size that matches both information density and screen real estate. Small for glance, medium for detail, large for multiple elements. Tap the widget in the gallery to add it, then immediately drag it to your preferred spot. iOS will shift icons automatically, so placement is fluid. If the widget supports configuration, long press it and choose Edit Widget to select accounts, lists, or data sources. Doing this ensures the widget shows the right content without opening the Finish by organizing. Layer compatible widgets to create a stack, then enable Smart Rotate so iOS surfaces the most relevant widget when you need it. Once your stack is set, test interactions. Tap a widget to jump into the app and confirm shortcuts work. If something misbehaves, force quit the app, reboot your iPhone, or remove and re-add the widget. That clears cache and permission hiccups. If permissions block data, open settings, grant access, then re-edit the widget to refresh its feed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.